Hi, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to cancel my Zoom subscription. So let's consider that I just got my subscription and I paid for it. And I didn't find that big difference between the normal use of Zoom and the Pro and or the upgraded version of Zoom. So I decided to cancel my my subscription. So how can we do it? Let's get in. First we need to go into our browser, click on it, and then type zoom.us website. Alright, once we are in, we need to sign in. So I'm already signed in. I just need to click on my account. Once I get in, I will click on my picture on the top uh, right corner, and then I will go into plans and billing. So here, what I need you to do, I need you to stay on plan management, and I don't have the upgraded version, and so I can't cancel my subscription. So once you are here in this window, this option will appear to you here in this place. So what you need to do, you will click on manage, then you will go into this window, and you will see two options, whether you want to edit your plan or you want to cancel the plan. Once you will click on cancel plan, they will send you a notification if you are and they will ask you a question. Are you sure you want to cancel your plan? You will click into if you really want to cancel your plan, you will go into confirm your cancellation or go back. Anyways, guys, that's the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your beloved ones. And thank you for watching.